Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can hide pages on your website on Wix. For example, if you'd like to hide it from visitors or viewers, or if you'd like to hide information on a specific part or page of your website. So this is how you can do it, guys. Access the Wix website editor, and what you want to do next is click on Add Pages and menu here on the left sidebar. And after that, select the sub-page of your homepage or of your website below. Like for example, you can hide that part of your homepage, My Blog or the About Us or About section, the Contact section, or any page you add to your website. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to hide that part of my website in My Blog. So this is how you can do it, guys. Click on these three dots and make sure that you select or enable hide from menu. That would be the first step. And the second step would be to again click on these three dots and to access your SEO and social media settings here to the right, and to enable or to turn on that feature here below. Scroll down below to don't index this page, switch that on so that your website, or to be more precise here, that part of your website won't be indexed on Google search and will not be searchable or discoverable on Google search. That's how you do it, guys. As you can see, that part of my page has been hidden so that no one can access it. And that's actually all to it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.